This is a brief, simple tutorial on the setup process for Eniture Technology's Small Package Quotes family of apps. At the conclusion of the tutorial will be a brief demonstration of parcel quotes being presented on the Shopify checkout page. This video is not a replacement for the user's guide. You should use the user's guide while installing and setting up the app on your store. Over the next few minutes, I'll illustrate the minimum steps required to allow parcel quotes to display during checkout. I assume you already know how to install the app from the Shopify App Store, so I'll begin by enabling the app in the Shopify shipping zone. Use the Shopify admin menu to navigate to Settings and Shipping and Delivery. Edit the general profile or any custom profile to which you want to add the app. Scroll down to the shipping zones and click the Add Rate button. Select the setting for Use Carrier or App to calculate rates. From the drop-down menu, select the app that you want to install. Make sure all of the checkboxes on this page are enabled. Click Done and then Save. Afterwards, exit back to the Shopify admin area. Now click on Apps and select the app from the list of installed apps. The Plans page lists the subscription plans that are available. The most popular plan among Shopify merchants is the Standard plan because it contains a feature to automatically detect the address type. When a residential address is detected, the response from the carrier will include the residential delivery fee. Select the plan that best suits your needs. Now click on the Connection Settings tab. This is where you'll enter the credentials to connect the app to your account. Consult the user's guide for instructions that are specific to the app you are installing. Enter the credentials on this page and click Save Settings. Afterwards, click on the Test Connection button. You should see an alert informing you that the connection was successful. If you don't, then you need to rectify this before continuing. Now click on the Warehouses tab. The app will allow you to identify warehouses, dropship locations, or use Shopify's Locations feature. For the purpose of this tutorial, we're going to add a warehouse. Click the Add button, provide a nickname for the warehouse, and then enter the zip code, city, and state of the warehouse. Scroll to the bottom and click Save. Next, click on the Quote Settings tab. There are a lot of settings on this page. You'll want to return to it later to explore the settings and options that are available. For the purpose of this tutorial, we're going to enable just a few services. Let's enable Ground, Second Day Air, and Next Day Air Saver. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and click Save Settings. Now it's time to enter the product shipping parameters. Using the Shopify admin menu, click on Products and select a product from your product catalog. Navigate to and click on the More Actions button and select the app from the list. What you see on this page will depend on what apps from Eniture Technology you have installed. For the purpose of this tutorial, we're going to enable the checkbox for quote as a parcel shipment. Enter a weight and the dimensions for the product. Afterwards, scroll to the bottom and click Save and Return. Now we're ready to see if parcel quotes will return to the Shopify checkout page. Navigate and click on the View button at the top of the page. Add the product to the cart, view the cart, and then advance into the checkout process. After you enter a ship to address, the shipping methods will refresh to display the rates that are available for the checkout. In this case, we have options for UPS Ground, UPS Second Day Air, and UPS Next Day Air Saver. These are the options that we enabled on the Quote Settings page. This concludes the setup tutorial and demonstration of Eniture Technology's Small Package Quotes family of apps. Return to the Shopify admin area. Click on Apps and select the app from the list. Click on the User's Guide tab. Use the link to the documentation to explore the other settings and options that are available to complete the setup of the app to suit your purposes.